Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your profile, to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you just click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. So then you come to accept here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on display in text size, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to reach which point, clicking this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.